Hi, and welcome to the Natural State Gardener channel. I'm Christina, and this is my husband.
Kenny, nice to meet you.
And we are in Central Arkansas, zone
7B, I think, or maybe we may even be even close to an 8. I don't know.
And we have 2 acres of a homestead here, and we've got a lot of projects lined up for you guys to go through with us, maybe learn something together, or you teach us, or vice versa, and go on some field trips. And
I like field trips, don't you? Do they have to fill out a form before we can take them with us? Huh? Go ahead. It's good. Keep rolling. Go ahead. Keep rolling.
I'm gonna really try to edit that out, just for if it's
No, don't edit that out, baby.
If it's still in there, it's because I can do it. Okay,
yeah,
so
it's fine. It's great. It's awesome. But what she means by field trips is Arkansas is real fortunate with some of the things we've got. We've got the Garvin Gardens in Hot Springs. We've got the Crystal Bridges Museum up in Bentonville, Arkansas. From Alice Walton, she put together. She got a beautiful garden, beautiful grounds up there. Got lots of friends in the landscaping and business. We have tree nurseries here, growers where things originate from. We can go. We've got a lot of beautiful gardens that my neighbors have around close. I want to be showing you some of those. Hopefully we can teach y'all some of the things that we know. We're by no means experts, but to show you that you can get some results that you want and not be an expert, because trust me, neither one of us have a background in this. We just both love it, and it's pretty well brought us together. And so we're proud to show you and share with you what we do know. And what we don't know, I'm sure you'll fill the comments up and tell us that we don't know what we're talking about. And that's fine, because we would love to hear from you one way or the other.
we can wing it pretty good.
We can wing it pretty good, that's right. And we've got so many. One thing I think that hurts people and affects a lot of people, and it does us in a major way. We are both, she and I both are kind of ADD, and we have these great big grandiose ideas for projects that we want to do. And we start those projects and we get about a third of the way done, and then all of a sudden we see a squirrel, you know what I mean? And so we're going to the next project. So we have tons of unfinished projects, and that's okay. That's all right. Rome wasn't built in a day, and Christina's favorite saying is you don't eat a watermelon all at one time. So, there's a lot
That's not my favorite saying.
Well, that's close to it.
No.
So you said that to me a lot. Because
No.
I try to do everything at once, and she says, honey, you can't do everything at once. So anyway, that's okay, and we'll work our way through it. We've got, as a matter of fact, we live right in the middle of town. We've got some chickens. Christine would like to have a goat, different things like that, but we can't tell the city. I think the city allows 4 or 5 birds, don't they?
You're allowed 6 hens and no
6 hens,
roosters.
No roosters. Okay.
So if you...
So far, we're within the law right now, right? We're not outlaws yet.
Yeah, so if you are like, I'm going to watch this video and I'm going to get me some chickens, I went to the .gov website and just read their policies on...
So you might do that wherever you are.
Yeah, if you're going to be in town, definitely, because the dog catcher, he comes by here plenty because of my dogs.
Yeah. The dog catcher is not her favorite person, but anyway.
Not against dog catchers. Just my chickens are free range, as are my cats. So he comes.
Well,
by.
actually, the only pets that we have that stay at home are our fish.
But if the neighbors,
everything else goes across the road to the neighbors.
Yeah, if they would go over there, my neighbors would feed them, and then they think that they belong over there too. So
yeah, actually, he deer hunts, and so he just killed a deer last week, and he's been putting little deer meat out for our cats, and they've been hanging out over there eating deer meat. And so I told him he just inherited some, but whatever.
Anyway, so we really are winging it on what to say on our first video. All that guys on the YouTube that told us.
Don't say guys.
Not that we've watched a lot of videos on how to do this because we've wanted to.
You shouldn't have said that. We should know by ourselves. Why should we have to watch a video to show us how to talk?
Well, they're watching a video on us to see how to be gardeners.
Well, that's true.
So,
well, are they going to learn anything from us? I mean, I'm not sure they're going to learn a whole lot from us.
Might be entertained.
Maybe they will. Maybe they'll be entertained. Why don't you spin around and kind of show them the backyard, how much space that we've actually got to fill up? Not like that, Christina. Give them a shot.
Oh, you meant
Let
live.
them see what we've got.
Okay, we'll just turn the whole camera around. So I'm embarrassed for y'all to see my porch. Let's go a little further out here. Um, we'll just kind of do like a quick handy tour. We can see into the neighbor's yard, so don't peek. This is Shadow, and he's the boss around here. So we've got this is my little shade garden.